In this video, we are going to tag entities in a string using spaCy. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for spaCy NLP tag entities in string. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. This use case requires spaCy library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Now let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. This line of the code is to import the spaCy library. Here we define a string, and this part of the code, we load the English model from spaCy. In this part of the code, we get the named entities recognized for the string. Now let's run the code, and you have tagged entities in string using spaCy.